Oldsmobile. Crank that bit up. 425 Rocket 88, 66 Cutlass. Sounds good. Ain't no 330. Ain't your mama's 330. Yep, we're getting Oldsmobile parts today. Lots of good Oldsmobile 98 parts. The only thing staying here is the 455 Rocket 88, 425 Rocket 88. Tunnel ram, a little too much for the street. Nice street rod project. If you gotta have one, there's the one to have. All right, let's move our truck out of the way and load up the old 98 parts. Rocket 425, 66 Cutlass. When I was a kid, my neighbor had one of these, a convertible. That's a long time ago. We're talking 40 years ago. Rumble, rumble. It's even got the correct chambered exhaust pipes. I had one of those on my 67 442. Those are chambered exhaust tailpipes. Proper chrome tips. Mine had one original. I had a 67 442. That's a long time ago. Parchment interior with deluxe seat belts and factory air, but no power brakes. And a nice clean floor. Wow.
Oh.
This thing's in good shape.
Actually, my dad bought this 20 years ago and it came from South Carolina.
Ah, that's why there's
no sand underneath.
That's why there's no holes in the floor.
That tells me it's from Columbia or south, because that's all sand.
Snap-on caps. Charcoal.
The sand tells me within 100 miles of the grid. Pretty cool.
442. Ultra high compression. Use premium fuel. Those were the days.
It needs a paint job and it needs some work, but it's pretty solid.
It's got patina. Doesn't need a paint job, it's got patina. Rumble, rumble. The land of Lincoln. Alright, what do we got here? Luckily it's not raining. It sure rained enough yesterday. We got lots of parts. Power seat. Another Oldsmobile engine. Cutlass differential.
What should I be focusing on?
Let's move the truck back. Should we move the truck back?
We gotta get down to the seats.
330. Oldsmobile man.
Those containers are going.
Chevrolet. Route 66. Truck parking only. Yummy. This man is organized. All right, off comes the stuff from the shelves.
The back press is going to hit the springs.
Oh, the garage door. You have to bring it forward
As long as we pull it out this way.
as you're coming down.
And then we'll now it should be.
Got it?
Yep.
Yeah. You want to set it down or?
Oldsmobile.
Let's go.
Oldsmobile.
Whoa.
Your grandfather's Oldsmobile. Salvage operation. Oh, this has been reupholstered. Different material. Look at that.
Cool.
Yeah, interesting. Hey, beats what's in the car now. Roasted and toasted, like a burned marshmallow.
And this won't fold the armrest.
Only in the two-door would it fold forward. Lots of good Oldsmobile parts. 67 Olds, Delmont, 88, 425, two-barrel, running condition. That's a Turnpike Cruiser. Oh, that was the 400 two-barrel. Exhaust manifolds. Single exhaust. Crossover right there. Beautiful. This is fun.
Keep this one.
All right, we're going to load up this thing. We got our seats with our nice new material. Interesting. Let's get all loaded up, and then we'll show you this Cutlass in a few minutes. All right, so here we are, at least 30 minutes later.
Not bad.
Got all the sheep all packed up, and we can get the flock out of here. Can we get that, what is this truck? 39 something?
I thought it was Ford.
Is it? I don't even know what it is. It's got a tunnel ram, it's got a subframe from a Cutlass. Probably a 78, 79 with that plastic tilted master cylinder. Not too rusty for an old beater.
Can you believe how the cab just mounts to the frame.
Yeah, really fits perfectly. Little notching over there. Big wide Hoosiers.
It's a couple. It's like a.
Wait a minute.
It's a late 70s, early 80s.
This is scaffolding. Not scaffold. This is a forms for concrete.
Yeah, yeah. Because he's a concrete guy and a carpenter.
If it fits, ship it. I like the patina on this, but I don't think it's ever going to get done.
Nope.
And the automatic transmission's got to go. A hot rod's got to have a stick shift, so your grandmother can't drive it. And the small block Chevy, well, we'll compromise. We'll allow that. We'll let it slide. Interesting. Yeah, just a little bit of notching and fits right on. Beautiful. Well, you're no longer in the Olds 98 business, which I guess is a good thing.
For now.
That's always another one around the corner. Roof and steering boxes and alternators. All right, we're going to head off and see a buddy of mine not far away in Glendale Heights. He's got some Pontiacs, Grand Prix and Catalinas, and we're going to see what he's got because we're ready to...
A little bit up north.
What do they call that? Lick it and ship it or something? Yeah. Stick it and ship it. Oh, let's see the motor in this this 66 with a 66 425 V8. Back when V8 meant something. Now it just means it's a four-cylinder that has the same power as a V8. And that beautiful 442 air cleaner, genuine with factory exhaust manifolds. Never know what you're going to find on Facebook Marketplace. Crank that baby up! He's a runner. Even got the chrome wing nut. I brought my car in to be serviced. Body shop guy did a lousy job and took my chrome wing nut. I know it was there because I put it on. Beautiful. All right, bud. We'll see you at the car shows.
Yes.
Take care. Thank you very much. From Joliet, Illinois. You never thought I'd make it, did you?
I did.
You watch my videos, you know that I'm crazy. We're not for hire.